Alright, good morning everybody. So today is the epic day that I get to rebuild a truck for you guys. So today I'm going to be rebuilding my EMAXX. The reason why I'm rebuilding it is just because it's got a broken chassis. If you guys can see, there should be little ears coming off of that connect to the bulkhead right there. And they aren't there anymore. Yeah, it's kind of why I'm rebuilding it, also because it's really old. I think I already said that. And yeah, let's go over some of the parts that I got so I can rebuild it. First of all, got a new chassis. And then, got some brand new bearings. So, let's get to work. Alright, now time for the diffs.
긴긴 얘길 나누던 우리 그 밤 둘이라는 건 점점
I got the rear clip on the truck. The GoPro died, so I'm gonna let it charge a little bit. I'm not gonna do any work though, off camera, but I did some work off camera. I got the sphere end put together and got everything cleaned up. Got the brand new chassis together. Still need to lock the radio box down and the speed control down, but that isn't gonna be too hard. Next thing I have to do, oh wow. Next thing I have to do is take out the servo, all the steering, clean out the diff, clean up all that crud on there, and then I should be done. And after that, I need to redo these shocks. It wasn't too hard, but just really time consuming. So I'm gonna go inside into the air conditioning. It's like 95 degrees outside right now. And I'm gonna relax a little bit, let the GoPro charge. And then I'll be right back out here to work on the truck a little bit more. See you in a little bit. I was letting it up so that I can get it. So I got the truck done, mostly. I just have the chassis done. All the diffs are rebuilt. Front and rear, all new bearings in the front. There were a few bearings that were the wrong size for the rear, so I couldn't use the bearings from that little kit over there. But nothing really major. There was a little hiccup right here. This screw right here didn't fit, and it doesn't want to come out. But it's staying in there, so I guess it'll just stay in there for ever, I guess, until I replace it or figure out a way to get it out. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. So the truck's all done. I actually already drove it now. That's why there's mud and stuff on the tires. But worked fine. Had a lot of fun with it. Had a lot of fun making this video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Quick little thing really fast. I did just get done making a video with that truck right there. So look out for that. And see you guys later. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you later.